Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today I'll show you quick yoga for shoulders. Sit down nice and comfortable and hands heart center. And inhale, exhale, breathe. Now, bring your fingertips to the top of your shoulders and rotate. One, big rotation of your shoulder. Two, three, four, and five. Big range. Now reverse circle. One, two, three, four, five. Now try to touch the elbow together. Squeeze your elbow together and open. Now shoulder blades together, open. And exhale, elbow touch. And open, shoulder blades touch. Together, open, together, open. Now release. If you want to know more, check out my full-length videos.